got another FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what's inside this one, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Dexter's tail. He's coming out to give me a little loves. And Chloe's just hanging out with her friend. Dexter's begging for food because everybody else is eating dinner, but I already finished mine. And we're going to open this box, aren't we, buddy? Yeah, so that you can get in it, right? Because he loves to be in a box. Inside, oh, there's already stuff in there. You have to wait till I empty it out for you to get it. Silly. You're silly. Mm-hmm. What are you going to do? You can't get in there. Hmm? Now, this was one of the boxes that they curated, and you could add it on for $79, which is what I did. First things first, I have the Short Stories Salt and Pepper Grinder. Look at him. I need to get the other things out of the box. If you let me, I'll take them all out and they can be in there. So they are made out of wood and super lovely. I think a great year-round, but particularly fall addition to the tablescape. All right, not a home thing. I don't know why it was in here, but it was, and fine. These are the Heaven Mayhem Kai hoop earrings. I mean, not really hoops. They're little elbow macaroons, I guess is the best way to describe them. So super cute though. I think definitely functional. I wasn't going to get these, but they came in this box and I'm not mad about that. I mean, they're definitely my style. I definitely will wear them. All right, I got to get something else out of this box. I know. If you just let me take everything out, you could just have this box all to yourself. What do you think? Would you like that? Look, let me get this stuff out and then you can have this box full to yourself. He's not getting out. Look at this. I've heard of a cat in a hat. This is a cat in a box. I guess there's worse things you can have in a box, right? Than a cat who wants to take over. You want to take over this whole box, huh? You can. If you let me get everything out, you can have this whole box. It's a great box, and there's paper on the bottom. Look at that. All right. Yes. Okay. I mean, you could have a cat who thinks the box is a little box, so that works, right? All right. This, I believe, was category 1. This is the tortoiseshell serving bowl by, I believe it's Pretty Cool. Yes. Pretty Cool. That is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So in love with that. Then by Salt and Stone, I got the Bergamot and Hinoki body wash. And I have the scent in hand cream and I loved it. I forgot about that when I was doing this. I was like, I should have totally brought out the hand cream that I have in this exact scent. But it's at work, so that would have been hard. I would have had to remember to bring it home. But here we go. It's a big guy. Very fresh, very inviting, very spa-like experience. All right, I hope you all came here to see Dexter because he's taking over the show here. By Meluspa is the Baltic Amber Room Spray. I was really more excited about the Forbidden Fig one, but this one came in this box, and pretty much everything else in this box I was excited about, or like the earrings, I was like, I'm not really excited about it, but I'll use them. Like I can see that. Lovely, lovely bottle. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, no, that's okay. I might not keep it though. I might gift this one. I've got some holidays, birthdays and such coming up. So, but it's not bad. It's a little more musky than I would prefer, but it's not bad. Like I know exactly who I think will like this. And then last by Pharmacy is the Lip Smoothie in Honey Vanilla. And this is just like a lip balm. Put it on during the day, at night, whenever you want to. Oh, it smells like caramel. Yeah, it smells like caramel. All right, so that was this box. What do you guys think? What was your favorite item? That bowl is a showstopper. I'm going with that. But let me know in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.